Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table. On EFI systems, Windows can only be installed to GPT disks. To solve this problem, you need to convert your disk from MBR to GPT. Disk management is a built-in tool that can help you convert your disk. Right-click on Windows and select Disk Management. Please notice that this tool has some limitations. First, it can only convert an empty disk, so you need to delete all the volumes before converting. Second, it cannot delete the system volumes because you are now running it, so you cannot convert the system disk when you are using it. If you decide to delete the volumes to convert the disk, please back up your disk beforehand. If you are familiar with command lines, you can also utilize diskpart to convert the disk. The same as disk management, diskpart can only convert the empty data disk. Type the following command. Here replace 5 with your volume number. If your disk has more than 1 volumes, you need to select them one by one and delete each volumes. Also replace 2 with your disk number. If you don't want to delete the volumes to convert the disk, here is another way. With AOMEI Partition Assistant, you can easily convert no matter the system disk or data disk without deleting the volumes. Next, I will show you how to use it. If you think it useful, please find the link in the description to download it. This feature is available in the Advanced Edition. In the main window, right-click on the disk that you want to convert and choose the Convert to GPT option. Click OK to continue. Click Apply to perform the pending operations. Notice that if you need to convert a system disk, you will need to change the boot mode from Legacy to UEFI and BIOS before booting the computer. AOMEI Partition Assistant is an all-in-one disk management tool that can easily convert your disk between MBR and GPT without data loss. It also supports clone disks, freeing up disks, wiping disks, and more. Hit the link in the description to download the free version of AOMEI Partition Assistant to try it, and you could consider upgrading to its Advanced Pro Edition later. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. And don't forget to subscribe to us. If you have any questions or issues, please leave comments or email us.